How you doing, everybody? A little problem I ran into with my SDS 100 scanner and my 436 scanner. I never experienced before, and that was when I used my ARC 536 Pro programming software, and go in here, and I went in to record, and I started recording and logging, and when I played back my recordings, there was this hiss and hum in there, and it was really annoying, and I had a hard time hearing the voices in the recordings. And I thought, what the heck is causing that? And I did a little research online and found out it's coming from my my computer. My scanner is hooked to my computer and is plugged in to the audio, and that's where all the noise is coming from. So I went online and I found this, and this worked perfect for me. It's a ground loop noise insulator, and you plug this into your computer, and plug the other end into your scanner, so you'll need a little jump cord. And it took all the noise away, because if you use a program on the computer to listen to the audio and record the audio and everything, then you're going to have this problem. But grab one of these little devils and it will fix your problem. As I said, these new scanners, you have to plug them in and into your computer, and you get some noise coming off them. But that insulator does the trick. So if you're having a problem with noise coming into your audio recordings, grab one of these little devils. I got it on Amazon.ca because I'm in Canada. You can always go to Amazon.com and grab one. It'll do the trick for you. Hope this helps some people out. Enjoy your scanning. Take care.